Happy Saturday and welcome back to KAP. Today, we're taking you somewhere that looks like it shouldn't even exist on Earth. Urta Ale in Ethiopia.
Located in Danakil Depression, one of the most hottest and inhospitable places on the planet, Urta Ale is an active volcano known for something incredibly rare, a permanent lava lake.
And when we say permanent, we mean it. This isn't a volcano that erupts and goes quiet. This thing is constantly active. It's bubbling, shifting, and always moving.
Yeah, most lava lakes appear temporarily and disappear, but Urta Ale has had one for decades. It's basically an open window straight into the earth.
And just getting there isn't easy. The environment is extreme. It's intense heat and toxic gases, and terrain that looks more like another planet than anything that we're used to.
Temperatures in the region can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and add in sulfur vents, shifting ground, and zero real infrastructure, and it's not exactly a casual trip.
But people do go. Scientists, explorers, even tourists that are just looking for something different.
And a lot of them say the same thing. The place doesn't feel dangerous. It feels wrong.
There's something about standing near the lava lake, I guess, especially like watching it move and hearing it crack and bubble, that people describe as almost hypnotic.
Some say it feels like it's pulling you in. Not physically, but mentally, like your attention locks onto it and it's hard to look away.
And that's where some of the most unsettling theories start to come into the story.
Because in local folklore, places like this, extreme, volatile, unpredictable, aren't natural, they're spiritual.
That's interesting. Some believe Urta Ale is a gateway, not just into Earth, but into something deeper and something more ancient.
There are even stories that describe it as a kind of entrance, a place where the boundary between worlds are thinner.
Interesting. And when you look at it, it's not hard to see why. Because, a constant burning pit deep into one of the harshest places on Earth.
It checks a lot of boxes for what different cultures have described as entrances to the underworld.
Ooh, the Grim Reaper's vacation home.
But
it's not just the visuals. People who have been there talk about a kind of energy, something heavy and almost oppressive.
Some report feeling watched even when they're completely alone. Others say the silence out there feels unnatural, like something is missing.
Part of that might be the isolation, because there's no cities nearby and no real signs of life, just heat, rock, and that constant movement of lava.
Which makes any sound, any shift, any shadow stand out that much more, I guess.
There have been accounts of people experiencing disorientation, losing track of time, feeling disconnected from their surroundings.
Now, some of that could absolutely be explained by the extreme conditions.
That's a good point.
Heat, dehydration, gases in the air.
I was going to say the gases in the air. But not everything lines up that easily, I guess.
Right? Because the multiple people describe the same feeling, that sense of being watched or pulled in. It starts to feel like more than just the environment.
So then the question kind of becomes is Urta Ale just a natural wonder? Or is it a rare geological phenomenon?
Or is it something else entirely, a place where the earth itself feels different?
Because if there's really any places where the line between the worlds gets thinner,
a constantly burning lava lake and one of the most extreme places on Earth could be a pretty good candidate.
True. It may be the feeling, and maybe that feeling that people get out there isn't just the heat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel.
Thanks for watching and always stay spooky.
Bye.
Bye.